Welcome to LawPath's legal education videos. My name is Damon Murdoch. I've been a lawyer for more than 10 years. Today we're going to talk about the difference between a casual employee and a part-time employee. Now, a casual employee is someone that's normally rostered. So Mary might work on Mondays and Thursdays during one week and maybe Saturdays and Fridays another week. She might be a university student or she might be in high school. She doesn't necessarily have a continuous or regular pattern of work and normally is on a roster. And also generally the roster is set maybe 1 week in advance. As a casual employee, Mary will not be entitled to any statutory entitlements in terms of annual leave, long service leave, public holiday pay. But the benefit is that Mary gets a loading on her normal minimum wage. So if she's in the retail industry and the retail industry award applies, then what the minimum wage would normally be for a normal permanent employee, it is uplifted by the casual loading. That casual loading is to address the public holiday pay and the annual leave that Mary's not going to be entitled to. Now, when someone is a casual, you don't necessarily need to give any notice of termination either, because only someone who has been continuously employed in a business is entitled to an unfair dismissal claim. So casual employees, no annual leave, no public holiday pay, no long service leave, but gets casual leave loading, whereas a permanent employee is someone that is on a set designated time. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 to 5, or something along those lines, a regular systematic pattern of work. They still have to apply for leave. They still have to attend work when requested to do so, and they're not necessarily on a roster, but a fixed regular pattern of work. And someone who's been employed continuously for a period of time. And they are entitled to an unfair dismissal claim. Now, the question is well, what are they entitled to? Well, part-time employees are entitled to prorated annual leave, prorated long service leave, all the other standard leave entitlements such as jury, compassionate leave, and public holiday pay. On top of that, when there's a dismissal or cessation of employment, there's also a notice period required. And that's also a difference when you're looking at a casual employee versus a permanent employee. So if you're confused about whether your employee is a casual or a permanent, then that basically sets the two standards of what the standard employee will be. Now, there is one exception to this, and that is where someone has been a casual employee, choosing their own hours, working on a roster, but they've been doing it continuously for a period of more than 12 months. And if they've been working on a roster continuously for more than 12 months, there is a situation where they can be deemed a part-time employee. And if you need any advice on that, then I recommend you contact LawPath, because there is circumstances where a casual, after a certain period of time, can convert into a part-time. Thank you very much for watching our video on casuals versus part-time employees. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, visit www.lawpath.com.au. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.